सबको आज के इस कार्यक्रम की पूरी बधाई। आज मेरे साथी अर्जुन मेघवाल जी, दोनों उद्योग रत्न एक तरह से, सिंघानिया जी और पवन गोयनका जी, हमारे सचिव अरुण गोयल जी और उनकी टीम, और मूल नेटवर्क जिन्होंने तैयार किया और शुरू भी किया। जिन व्हीकल के बैच को मैंने शुभारंभ के तरीके से शुरू किया, मुझे यकीन है उनकी आधी टेस्टें तो पूरी भी हो गई होगी। दिस इज इंडियाज अचीवमेंट। दिस इज मेक इन इंडिया इनिशिएटिव। दिस इज a declaration of political will that yes, India will not be only an important automobile center, but it will become the hub of automobile and not only of components. So this is, ये दुनिया का एक मुख्य ऑटोमोबाइल का केंद्र बनेगा, उत्पादन का भी, सेवाओं का भी और स्पेयर पार्ट्स का भी। ये तीनों काम हम आने वाले दिनों में करेंगे और जो सपना है भारत का, ज़्यादा रोजगार पैदा करे, ज़्यादा टैक्स कलेक्शन भी इससे हो, और भारत के बनी गाड़ियाँ दुनिया की सभी सड़कों पर चले। This is India's dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat. This is India's, as rightly said by my colleague, a gift on Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav. Natrax, the film has depicted the utilities the complex has created, and the utilities for which our vehicles we need to send earlier in the foreign countries, now it will be reverse thing. Now many foreign countries, those who don't have these kind of facilities, will now send their vehicles here instead of sending to Europe, America, because we have a track which is 5th largest in the world, but largest in Asia, even more equipped than China and Japan. So this is a quality work completed in last 6 years. ये भारत की एक उपलब्धि है, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री ने देश के तरक्की का जो सपना देखा है, वो भारत एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का हब बने। और जब हम सत्ता में आए थे तो 2 मोबाइल फैक्ट्रीज थी, आज लगभग 200 फैक्ट्रीज हो रही है। ऐसे ही व्हीकल के निर्माण में भी नई नई लागत आएगी और उससे रोजगार के अवसर और बहुत बढ़ेंगे। एक अच्छा विषय गोयनका जी ने प्रस्तुत किया, एक विषय रखा कि सीन इज चेंजिंग सो फास्ट दैट वी मस्ट रीथिंक actually annually, and therefore we will arrange a stakeholder dialogue very soon to think about both the topics. What is the further acceleration for high growth of automobile industry, And two, what is the way forward for fast tracking and fast growth of e-vehicles? There are many ideas floating around. The cost-conscious nation always starts slow because there is a upfront cost disadvantage in e-vehicles. But there are newer solutions coming up. So we'll hold stakeholder consultation in both the areas very soon. और मैं तो इतना कहूँगा कि आज का जो बना है और पुणे में, मानेसर में, चेन्नई में जो अपग्रेडेशन हुआ है फैसिलिटीज़ का, तो पुणे में मैंने पहले ARAI का ट्रैक देखा था, अब रांजनगांव में जिस तरह से बढ़ गया है और अच्छा बना है वो भी अच्छा है। तो ये फैसिलिटीज़ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़ है। And as we grow, we must provide complete solution. This NATRAX is providing the complete solution for one aspect of vehicle movement. And therefore, I am very happy to note that NATRAX has now become center of excellence in vehicle dynamics. This is very important. HST is used for measuring maximum speed capability of high-end cars. And this track can be used for racing also. That's a good news. So, we are really very happy today for this achievement. So as I said, this is India's new vision of growth. This is India's Make in India initiative. This is our way forward in direction of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And this is how particularly this government works under leadership of Modi ji, where many projects which were languishing for years together are now getting completed. He takes 15 projects every month for review in Pragati meeting with concerned officials of central and state government to find out what has stopped, what is the reason for lagging behind of implementation of the project. And there, the decisions are taken. So these projects, and there are many, I can list n number of projects which were speeded up, long pending infrastructure projects in the railway, highway, airports, and now these testing facilities and automobile initiatives. And e-vehicles also will pick up. So, we will become $5 trillion economy. Due to COVID, the world has suffered, but we are overcoming, and I welcome yesterday's initiatives and the new relief package given to the industrial sectors which has suffered a lot during the pandemic. So this is the way forward for India, and we will complete the targets in automobile, component manufacturing, vehicle manufacturing, and also e-vehicles. That's our way forward, and I am very sure that we will achieve our dream by 2030. Thank you and all the best.